Hey, sixth graders, we are going to use this brainstorm that you guys made last week to answer an essay question today. You will have this class and then your writing class this afternoon to work on it. Here's your task. You have read 3 excerpts from Out of the Dust by Karen Hesse. So that's these 3 different passages we analyzed last week. From Out of the Dust by Karen Hesse. Write an essay that explains how the tone of each passage reveals information about Billy Joe. So I know I need to be writing not only about the tone in each of those 3, but then I need to explain how that tone actually teaches me something about Billy Joe. So here's the amount of paragraphs you're going to have to do. Obviously, an intro and a conclusion, and then 1 body paragraph about each of these 3 poems that you analyzed in class last week. So first, I'm actually going to jump ahead and show you guys what a strong body paragraph looks like. I did the first one for you so that you know what it looks like to answer this question. So in each passage, talking about how the tone reveals information about Billy Joe. So you'll rage and tell us what is the tone, and then explain what that teaches me. Look at the example here. The first one is called On Stage. The tone of On Stage is uplifting and joyful. I know this because on page 13, Hesse says, folks sway in the palace aisles, grinning and stomping and out of breath, eyes shining, fingers snapping. This shows that the audience was enjoying her music, which created a joyful tone during this scene. So right here, you'll see that I did a rage for what the tone of it was. Okay, but I know that's not all my passage asks. I also then have to say what that teaches me about Billy Joe. What information does that reveal about Billy Joe? So after that rage about the tone in this passage, I went on to say, this joyful tone reveals information about Billy Joe because it shows us that she is very talented at playing the piano, since we can see the effect it has on the people around her. So notice how by looking at this tone and how it was so joyful, that taught me that she's so talented because that piano playing created a happy tone. And then that showed me that she can, through the evidence I put here, that showed me that about her. So you are going to go on to do the same thing about the passage 50 miles south of home and the passage Breaking Drought. Remember, this one has a tone shift in it. If you follow the checklist very carefully for each paragraph, you should do just fine. My suggestion is to write your intro and conclusion last. Try and get body paragraphs 2 and 3 done first. You are going to be using evidence, obviously, for each rage from this packet.